Hey, what's going on, everybody? We got one of these. It's foam mattress topper. Antimicrobial treated topper. What are we going to use this for? We're going to use this for insulation. Excuse me while I cut this open. And it took a lot of time, so we're just going to speed this up.
This here's a Chris Schoner tribute song. It's called Smokin'. 7 days a week I'm looking for a special girl. 7 days a week I'm looking to take the world. Don't know when I'll meet her, where I'm gonna be. Yeah, she has got to be smoking naturally. We're smoking, joking, baby. Gotta feel the fire, full of desire. Smoking. 6 days a week I'm working, breaking my flipping back. Don't give a damn if I'm ever gonna go back. Been working way too hard since I was 17, yeah. Got to break these chains and find some other means.
Gonna keep my light pieces together like so. These two will get dyed together, along with this one. This one I'll probably split down the middle. And then this one goes with the other wavy, this guy. Alright, it's time to whip up some dye. That'll be next. Well, here we go. We got a big thing of dye. Got some hot water. It's some black dye. And it's ready for some fabric. We gotta drop our foamage in. Kind of like so. It's a little hard to submerge it. And we're just gonna squeeze all this air out. Squish it around real hard like that. And we'll smash this all the way down to the bottom. And now our second piece. Again, get all the air out. And it'll rise back up slowly. And there we go. I'll flip this one around. Make it kind of just like the other one next to it. And we're going to let these things sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's about it. And I'm going to wash these gloves off. So about 15-20 minutes later, I'm going to give it a good rinse, just like so. Should also say, make sure you're wearing dirty clothes, just in case. You never know. And the water's starting to come out clean. And voila. It's like automotive grade looking, isn't it? It's a nice grayish color. If I wanted it any darker, I'd leave it in for about a half hour, maybe more. But it's the kind of color I'm going for, that kind of automotive gray. Oh, here it is, folks. It's the dyeing process. The dyeing process. All right, I got a lot more of this foam to cut. You kind of get the idea. And I'm going to keep cutting because we got a lot of this stuff to do for the van. Right now, I'm actually switched to a razor to get these nice long cuts, get them straight, and then I'll seam it all back together once it's in the van. All right, everybody, there you go. That was the dyeing process. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found something useful out of it, because I sure didn't. I got a lot of this foam to do. It's going to take me a while. I'm going to try to probably do some more time lapses of the rest of it, and go from there. I think that's going to be next. Time lapse of installing all that foam. I hope you got something out of it, and I will see you on the next time. Or on the next video. Until then, later, y'all.